It's the most wonderful time of the year, with the kids jingle belling and everyone telling you be of good cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Union Pacific Omaha here. Will here. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of you. It's Christmas Eve right now. It's like 8 or 9 o'clock. I'm going to show you what I got. So we're going to start small, and there's one big thing right down here that I will show you guys in a minute. So first up, let's start small. It's called Railroads of Omaha and Council Bluffs book. So I'm excited to take a look at this. And then I have an Atlas BLMA Modern Yard House, which I've really been wanting to get this. So gonna put this on the layout. It'll be in the next HO video. And then finally I have another Bachmann DC power supply. I haven't had one in a long time and I've needed one. So this is the bigger model. This is meant for like G-scale trains. So this should have plenty of power. And let's take a look at the big one. It is a Lionel Disney Christmas train set. It's got Bluetooth, all Lion Chief. So you guys are gonna see this. I'm gonna unbox it right now, but you guys are gonna see it in the next video, which is going to be a running Christmas trains video. Been waiting to get a power supply so I can run my N-scale train. So let's take a look at what we have in here. Okay, take that off. Okay, so I'm going to get behind the camera now and we're going to take a look at what's inside here. Okay, let's open this up. If you guys are wondering what these gifts are here, if you're watching this, Owen the Train Man, this is yours, which whenever I see you next, I'll give it to you. And UP4014 Steam Train fan, Jared, this is yours. So they're both HO scale locomotives, so you guys are gonna see, hopefully you guys can see you soon, and I can get those to you. So let's open this up. I'll open it from the top. Let's see, that's the best way to open it. Oh, there's a light right there, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Ooh, I knocked it. Do not want that to come down. Alright. Okay. So we got more tape, and there's just a big thing I'm gonna have to pull out. So let's put this thing on its side. Alright, let's pull this out. Now, I'll tell you more about what HO stuff I have coming on the way once we're done unboxing this. So the main box is going to fall. And here's what we got. Oop, there goes the smoke fluid, and I think this is a traction rubber tire replacement in here. So here's what we got. Track is back here. We're gonna open it all up and take a look. Oop. Well, that was unexpected. This is a transformer, I think. How do we get to the tender? Oh, there's a little plastic film on it. Some tape. So here's the tender. It says Merry Christmas. Got some sounds down here. So I'm excited to hear what the sounds. Hopefully they're some new recorded sounds. It says Merry Christmas. We got Mickey over here and Minnie over here. So that's nice. So I'll put the tender over here. I think this is a set for my lake house we have out in the valley. I'm pretty sure that's why they got me this. I think that's out of the frame, but I apologize for that. Here's the remote, Lion Chief remote. It says 1225 Merry Christmas. Got a little Christmas bell in the shape of a Mickey head. We got forward direction, backward really smooth. We got the bell, sounds, and the whistle. Horn or whistle in this case, on and off switch. And then here's where the batteries are gonna go. I'm guessing AA. So now, let's get to the main part. The not the Polar Express, the 1225 080 locomotive we got here. So we've got a little blue ribbon. I always wondered from my last Lionel, so where did these blue ribbons come from? And they came from the locomotive, I'm guessing. They put those in there. So we have some manuals here, stuff to look at. I'm not going to be needing that. I should know how to get this up and running. Should be pretty simple. So we got some tape on here, gotta get off. I'm gonna make sure I'm getting this on. Ooh, nope, I am not getting a good angle. That's much better, I apologize. But I can't go back now, otherwise I'll have to put it all back and that would look dumb. I have a tough time getting this tape off. There we go, got one of them. Oh, there is only one, okay, good. Oh, there's one on the bottom. So be very careful with this locomotive. Just got it, so I don't want to damage it. Okay, that should do it. Okay. And out comes our locomotive. Got a little warning thing, smoke thing on it. Yes, of course it will need fluid, I know that. And here we go, here's our locomotive. Number 1225, we got some figures in there. Pretty standard molded detail for a 3-rail L-scale train starter set like this. Pretty heavy too, it's got the Mickey logo on there. 1225, the whistle and stuff is up here. Just all molded in detail, nothing separate. Because this is supposed to be like a family locomotive starter set, so not too much detail on it, but this isn't like a product review, just unboxing. The locomotive just fell. There we go. So this is not a product review, so I probably won't do one since I'm mostly HO scale. So, oh, there's more. I forgot. Can't believe I forgot that. Can't forget about that. So, ooh, the cars are falling. So we have some more stuff to look at. Kind of forgot about cars. So we have a Season of Magic gondola, and we have some little fake presents in here, which that's nice. So I like this car. Not really any detail, but that's fine with me. Good looking gondola. Put him over here. So let's get to the boxcar now. And the track should be back here. Oop, okay. Here's the boxcar. We have some little trees to take a look at too. So here's the boxcar. 'Tis the season for holiday cheer. It's got let's see, Goofy, Mickey, Donald. What's the dog's name? Pluto, I think is the dog's name. I'm forgetting. Minnie and a little Christmas tree, and it's the same on the other side. I apologize if I don't get the names right. It's been a while since I've seen anything Disney or been to a Disney park. So put the boxcar over there. Let's get out the caboose. It says Jingle Bell Fun, and there is Minnie kissing Mickey. Nice little caboose. So this is a nice set. I want to thank my parents for buying this for me. I saw this come in a big box. I'm like, oh, I think I know what that's got to be something train related, and I was right, it was. So let's grab these trees out now. These are pretty small for G-scale, so these might end up on my personal HO layout. So here's some little trees we got. We have two here and two, more than two? I don't know over there, but I think the other two are different size, but nice little trees. We're going to have a huge Christmas train running operating session in my next video, so that's going to be really cool. I've got my basement cleared out on the floor so we can run it. Here's two other trees. I think these are different size. You can see it's bent a little bit there, but it should just bend right back. Yeah, there we go. So not any damage there. So let's put that down. And I think there's track. There should be. Just random piece of cardboard. Yeah, the track is all in its own individual package right here. So I don't have any scissors with me, so I'm gonna cut and we are gonna get to that. Okay guys, got some scissors, so let's get this open. Should be pretty straightforward. Just cut along. I'm not being too careful because, you know, it's just I don't even know what they call the track. I'm gonna call it easy track because that's what Bachmann calls theirs, because it's just you snap it together and you're ready to go. So it's about as simple as you can get. That was a pain to get open there. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got. This is, I think, different than the track on my old set. So let's take it out. Nope, it's the same. Hasn't changed. So we have three curved pieces here. Four. Let me check. 1, 2. Wait a minute. 1, 2, yeah, 4. So 4 curves here. Let's put that down. 4 straights here. So I will do a demo of the sounds and it running. A few clips of that. There's just a little plastic thing in the back, and then 4 more curves here. So nice little starter set. So I'm gonna cut the scene, and we are going to, when I'm all done, it's gonna be all pretty and set up. So let's get to that. Okay, guys. So I have it, the track set up now, and I have all the train. So now keep in mind this is a little bigger than it would normally be because I've added all 4 pieces from my other Lionel 3-rail O-scale set. So keep that in mind. So I'm gonna plug in the power, and we're gonna get this thing going and hear what it sounds like. Okay, guys, the power is on, and it's making that chirping sound because it has no remote connected to it. As you can see, the headlight has turned on. So I'm gonna take the remote here and I'm gonna turn it on. And just like that, the locomotive is on, and you can hear the normal sounds when it's just sitting. So let's take a little listen. So there's only 3 little options you can really do with this thing. So first up, we're gonna listen to the whistle. Okay, good whistle. I like that, and it's very responsive. Oh, here, watch this. So it's very responsive, and I like that because on some of my HO locomotives with the Prodigy Express, it's not as responsive as I'd like it to be. And it's weird because with some horns on there, if I switch the CVs to a different horn, it's more responsive. It's odd. But so now we're gonna listen to like the special sound. So let's listen.
Well, hi everybody. Are you ready for some Jingle Bell fun?
So there's Mickey, and I think there's one more.
Mickey's Christmas Express is loaded up and ready to go. Come on, pal. The holidays are always better with friends. Let's go.
There might be one more. Let's find out.
Turn that throttle, pal, and we'll get this magical holiday train moving.
Might be more. Let's find out.
Come on, pal. The holidays are always better with friends.
Okay.
Let's go.
So it looks like there's, was that 4 or 5? I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. So I'll show you guys the remote real quick. It's got Lionel 1225 down here. Merry Christmas. And I already showed, but just to show it again. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. So I've obviously put those in there already. So here's the bell. So it's just like a sleigh bell, and it stays on until you press the button again. So that's a nice feature, because on some other trains I know it's just you have to continue to press it. So let's get this train moving. So let's go. Okay, so this is, I'm pretty sure, as slow as it'll go. So let's get him up to a decent speed. There might be more than 5 of those like Mickey sounds, I'm not sure. There probably is, but I'm just not listening. So you cannot have the bell and the whistle going at the same time. That's what I've just noticed. So this is a fairly loud locomotive. You know, because it was a present from my parents. I have no idea what this thing costs. So, you know, they wouldn't just say, oh, here's how much it was. Because, you know, it's about giving, not about, oh, that was cool. It was that much. Wow. So, I'll have to check the price on this. And as you can see right there, I have another set just like it with the same locomotive and some different rolling stock. That's the Pennsylvania Flyers set. So I've had that one for a long time, and it still runs great. But it does not have any chuffing sound, and this one is Bluetooth equipped as well, so you can run this thing off your phone if you want. But I probably won't be doing that just because, you know, there's a remote here. It's more convenient. But if you lose it, you're not out of luck. So, And the bell on my Lionel one didn't, on my other one didn't work. And also, you had to use that big transformer thing that's over there, because it's a way older model. So that's the thing I didn't like. It's big and kind of clunky, so I didn't care for that. But this little slim remote, you just plug it in. That's way more convenient, and I'm a fan of it. So it's the same locomotive with a different paint job, but it's some different cars, and that's what I liked about it. So stay tuned for the next video where we have just all of my Christmas trains running at once in a big loop with a tree in the middle. So that's going to be great. So I appreciate all of you watching. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year and Happy Holidays. Union Pacific Omaha out.